lovely Mikey, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been having an absolutely fantastic day and that you are super inspired and ready to get creative with some Halloween makeup. This is the look we will be doing today. It is the Jack Skellington, I think I'm saying it right, Jack Skellington makeup look. If you would like to see how I created this look, you should keep on watching. So starting with a small art brush and some cream white paint, we're going to be sketching out the outlines of the face and the skeleton, and as well as the clothing, so it's like the chest piece. Going in with a fluffy brush, I just picked up some more paint, so I'm going to try and do the face pretty opaque. You want it to be as white as possible. Because this is a cream paint, it would be smart to set it with baby powder or a translucent slash white powder afterwards, just so that you can get it to be matte, so that if you touch it by accident it doesn't smudge everywhere. Going in with a black water paint, I will be doing the part that's gonna make it look like my body disappears. So you want to try and get that as opaque as possible as well, so that you kind of blend into the background, because we need to look like we're very skinny and got a round head. Just using a fluffy brush, I'm just painting that in. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a tough one to get all the paint out of your ears, but just go with it. I'm going in with the eyes. I'm using a small art brush to just line. Because this is water paint, it's pretty safe to go close to the eyes. Then going in, creating the mouth. The mouth is very simple. You can just create a straight line across the face and then just draw in some teeth. I did use a black eyeshadow just to run over to kind of smudge out the line. You can keep the face without detail, but I find that creating some shadows around the eyes and over the mouth makes it look slightly more realistic. And going into the chest piece, unfortunately I cut off most of this. There's just a tiny fox in front of the chest, and then drawing, painting in the pleats in his costume. And then some more paint on your neck and everywhere else for that matter. And that is it. It's pretty simple. All you need is black and white paint, some baby powder, and very tiny brushes. So much for watching. I hope you found this look easy to follow and also easy to redo. Please let me know if you do decide to do this look, and if you decide to post it, please tag me. I would absolutely love to see. Remember, I also have a competition running for the month of October, so if you'd like to enter, I'll leave the link up here. I'll leave the link up here so you can see what the competition guidelines are and what you can win. I hope to see you on the next video. Please remember to give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have not yet, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!